Yes, my people, greetings, greetings again. Back on the farm, you know. This time around, you don't know, we're up on the farm. We're kind of up on a farm where this man used to do this farm, used to work on this farm near Mass Bowling. We all know that man, but you know, he's not around now, so the younger generation take over. So yeah, we here right now on this farm with Mr. Grace, otherwise called Delano. Site? Yeah, so right now, you don't know, it's all about farming, and as you can see in the background, yeah, you have a lot of things down there. So here one of my people, we'll go down there, go see what they go and see. We'll check it out.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We a plant pumpkin and we a plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Yeah, man, we're up on the farm, you know. Yeah, we have all type of things here. Yeah, as you can see, we have some yellow yam here. We have some cassava right here. So we're going down inside the farm, you know. We have pumpkin, and there's a lot of pine also. We have corn. Yeah, this guy is a professional farmer, you know, because he's the younger generation. So you know, yeah. We have a pumpkin running very wild. Yeah, we have breadfruit and tree, always good for the height stew. Yeah, as you can see, we have a lot of corn, we have potato, we have cocoa, we have cane, we have everything. So, yeah, all right. Here is the man for the farm. Yeah, Mr. Grace. Greetings, Aya. Sight. So, this farm here, how long you have this farm?
No, say from grandfather was around, he used to go on with him like one foot the same way. But now him gone, so me have to just take it over, you see it?
Okay.
Just make sure say something still a gone.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, because grandma still around, you know, and he still can move around, so just do what we can do same way, make the thing look good same way.
Oh, okay, all right. I can see lately, like your mold these corn lately.
You know, say a grandma really deal with it for me still, because you work my family away.
Okay, understand.
We have some nice one out here, so some ready near to the
Oh,
kitchen.
yeah.
Near to the kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the one that's ready.
Yeah. Yes, my people. Corn soon ready up a yard. Eh? Yeah. For real. So yeah. So this farm here, as I can see, you have a lot of things in this farm. When last the rain fall here? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Pine is ready.
Another one there.
Pine is ready. Pine is ready.
We have some okra.
Yeah, that's my favorite one, you know. For the height stew, you know.
Okra here.
Mmm.
Pumpkin ready to run off again.
Yeah. Soon start to bear pumpkin. Sweet potato. Okay. So are you one manager all this farm? Oh, you say your granny help you most of the time.
Grandma help me most of the time. Like do the weeding and support. We do the plant.
Ah, for real. So where you get all these corn seed to buy?
When we buy at the farm store.
Okay, which one is the farm store? In Clarkstown? Agro Grace. Okay. Yeah. Cucumber. Yes, my people, cucumber. See there? Ah, magnificent. Alright, my people, as you can see, we have some gungo here. Have some gungo and corn here also. Yeah, and oh, we have a bunch of honey banana right here. Yeah, this is honey banana. Alright, so when you hear them talking about sweet banana, yeah, this is it, the honey banana. Alright?
The young breadfruit sucker coming up.
Okay. Yeah. Young breadfruit sucker coming up, you know?
I like to take it out, but we don't really have no can plant it right now.
Yeah, for real. Alright, we're going to the cocoa tree right now. A cocoa? Chocolate, alright? Yeah, man. This is
chocolate.
yeah, this is the chocolate, my people.
Yeah, this is a ripe one.
Yeah?
See if we can get it cut.
Alright, we're gonna cut this ripe chocolate to test it, see how it works, you know? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man. The man of the farm, Mr. Delano.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Taste it how it
So,
tastes right now.
yeah. My God, give me one, let me taste it. For real. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Mm.
Yeah, it's a lot of things there for the
What?
A lot of things.
Going on finding nice, man. Alright, the next tree we're moving to
A cashew tree.
the cashew. Alright, my people, cashew. Alright, my people, we're at the cashew tree right now. What? Cashew. Very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Take out the seed.
My God. My God. Yes, man. Juicy. Alright. Yeah, man. Pick the one and me taste it now.
Voila.
My time, my time, my time. Yeah. Yeah. My time to eat cashew, you know, my people, and my time. Bring off the seed. But bite off the seed. Yes, my people, cashew. Nice, you know. Trust me. Yes, my people, for real. We're on the farm with Mr. Grace, otherwise known as Delano. Sight? Sight. So we're there. So we have more treat we got to, you know. So watch this. Yes, my people, we go at the herb tree now. The tonic. Yeah. What name again?
This is the merengue tree.
Merengue. Yeah.
They all kind of complain and so forth, you know.
This is an all-purpose plant, you know. Yeah, the merengue. Yes, my people, the merengue. We also have tuna here. This is one of the next magnificent plant, you know, tuna. Very good. Yeah, so that is the merengue, my people. It's an all-purpose plant, you know. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Send him up on the mango tree.
Yes, man. Nice chocho tree. Yeah.
We have some pumpkin down there, so but the more clean out right now, just a run off.
Okay, okay. Yeah. This is the next farm, kind of a little bit bushy, so grandma have to. This is where grandma come in now, you know, because Mr. Grace don't have that time on hand. So this is where.
Clean out what we clean out, because we have all corn in here.
Yeah. 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 Pumpkin running. Yeah. There's a lot of things in this farm, man. It's good to plant, my people. It's good to plant, you know what I mean? Because if you don't plant, you don't eat. You have to go to the market and buy. You know what I mean? And it's going to cost money when you buy. But when you plant, you just come and pick and eat. Alright? Okay. I'm going to find the next tree right now. Show the item where they go on. So yeah, man, people over city there, big up on yourself, you know. Kendra. Yeah, Terry, big up on yourself. JAMAICAN family. Yeah, we also have jelly here, my people. We have jelly here, my God. I'm gonna climb the tree right now. Yeah. We have a mango tree here, but we don't know if it is bearing yet. What you say, no, man? No, sir. Rotted mango there. Rotted. My favorite mango. Pam, big up yourself up in England there. Sweetest woman in England. Big up yourself, Pam. Yeah. My God, mango. Everything is here. What kind of mango is this? Oh, green gauge. What you saying, short man? Oh, you mean make a test it? My God, my people. You see how Jamaica nice, my people. Jamaica nice, you know, my people. Yeah, man, Jamaica sweet. Ah! That one drop. As him touch that one, it drop. Two of them drop. Yeah. Because it is well ripe. Yeah, my people. Well ripe, you know. So as him touch it, it drop. Yeah.
See another one here?
Yeah, man, mango, mango.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Yes, my favorite, you know. My favorite, you know, my people. Oh, God, man. Jamaica sweet can done. How Jamaica sweet, so? Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Hockey and saltfish. We say, yeah, man, banana. And we eat right mango. You say, now left here. Yes, the people, we have an apple in a tree. Only for something, the people, trust me. Yeah, man. Jelly all wax up life. Seen? Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
We have one jelly here. Alright. Alright. He's calling me now. He's calling me. My God. My God. My people. What is this? What type of cow is this?
This is a red pole mixed with black angus.
My God.
Nice.
My God.
Nice. You know?
So you go against this cow?
Yeah, man, I calm his cow when I pen. I'm sure you see him big. I calm his cow me have that pen.
Okay.
Big as his name is Rayman. You know?
Rayman.
Yeah.
Rayman.
Yeah,
Rayman, what go on?
General that he pen, you know?
Oh my God. Rayman, you good, sir? Yeah, man, Rayman, good man. My God.
Big as you see him, them humble, you know?
Yeah, yeah. As you can see, my people.
Yeah, night time he just come all near to my doorway from sleep.
What?
Light him gone, you know?
Give me that history
Yeah,
again.
man, at night time come near to home, come sleep. In the morning, he just move out again.
My God, Rayman. Rayman.
Humble.
My God, this is a cow of all cows. My God, my people. You see it, my people? Yeah, man, farming in Jamaica, it's a very wonderful thing, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, my people, we're on the farm again with Delano. We have ripe apple here. I got me say we have all type of fruit here now, my people. All type of fruit is here. My God, I'm gonna pick this one.
Jamaican
Oh,
Farmers
one is messy, but I get one.
Jamaican.
Very nice, my people. All type of fruit is here. Jamaica is blessed. Yeah, Jamaica is a blessed country. Yeah, we have the good soil, you know what I mean? Yeah, to farm, man. You know? Yeah, man. That's what most of our young guys here in Jamaica do, you know, farming. You know? Yeah, because we have to work, we have to eat, and we have to feed our little ones. So you don't know me, people? They're on the farm with Mr. Grace, otherwise known as Delano. Yes, my people, and soon come back, soon forward. Yes, my people, at this time I'm eating apple. I can't call the name so fast, you know, I have to draw it. Apple, alright?
Yeah, I'm here eating a mango. Yeah? Eat a chocolate already. Eat a cashew already. I'm eating a mango now. Mango.
Yes,
Yeah.
my people.
That's how the farm works.
So it's set up, Sophia in Trinidad, Sophia, big up yourself. Yes, Sophia, big body Sophia in Trinidad. Yeah, in Trinidad. Yeah, big up. That is your shout out for the morning, Sophia. People, so you don't know, we are going to shout out now. We have all star up on tree, you know. Star up here on tree. Yeah, man, so you don't know on the farm with Mr. Delano. Yeah. Yeah, so. Yes, my people, so you don't know, please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell to see the next video coming out. So I'm saying, man, alright? So yes, my people.
Have a lot more coming up.
Yeah, man, we have a lot more coming up. Yeah, because we not touch the cow farm yet. As soon as we touch the cow farm, they're going to see.
We're not touching cow farm yet. And we're not touching goat farm yet.
Yeah.
So a lot of things. Chicken farm, same way.
Whole heap of something.
Whole heap of something. Yeah.
Alright, my people. Yeah. So yes, my people, okra. We have okra here. So yes, my people, as you can see, the farm is here, up and running and ready. So, my people, I will see you in the next video. So remember, if you don't subscribe, you're not gonna see the next video coming out, alright? Because we have a lot coming up. Alright? My people, peace. I'm out.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready and a gone, we gone. We a plant pumpkin and we a plant some corn.
Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.